Hello again, everybody. This is Matador from FreeTradingVideos.com. It's still Thursday, January 7th, 2010, about 12:50 p.m., and after an initial sell-off here, you can see pre-market in the S&P 500, a little 3-minute chart. We had that run-up, but a nice fill into the 113.70 area, then a good-sized sell-off right back to the morning's lows. Kind of nice to see that, and then a rally right back up into 113.70, and that broke finally after a little bit of a fight on a good volume, and then we're using that as support right now, and again fighting the 114 mark that we talked about is dangerous to trade through all at once. If you remove the pre and post market data, it makes it a little bit easier to see why some of these lines make sense. So let me get rid of that right now. There we go. So again, this is a fantastic number, this 113.70 mark. We've seen that many times as a perfect gap fill that was once resistance, finally broke, became support. And it's a perfect gap fill right through here, and you can see all these great things. So from the 3-minute chart to the 15-minute chart, here's the same 113.70 mark. Perfect little resistance, chopped around. Couple little interesting areas we hit here, and significant again to my eye. The day's low at 113.20 and 113 even. Now this becomes an area to my eye to watch out for. That's going to hit one first, of course, then the second one. But again, that'll be a good area of support now. It might even put an ellipse there just to remember that. And of course, again, the 114 mark, something we've been looking at a couple times. So good stuff. Markets are technically following all the rules. I like it when that happens, and we're just sort of marching higher and higher. Some good economic information. It looks like things are getting priced in nicely. The trend, if we look at this, after a strange little meanderings today, has popped down below 0.8 now at 0.6, so that's a nice bullish confirmation. And the trend Q is still in the neutral range, so not quite confirming. The VIX is a nice bleed out all the way to 1890. Next support area, we're at it right now. Below that will be at 1877. So this resistance finally broken, support. Next logical spot, like I said, 1880, 1870. On a higher time frame, you can see that. And that's a pretty good sized low there. If we march through that, I would need that as confirmation, I think, before I traded very heavily above the round number, and that we're looking at 114 here. So good stuff, everybody. Nice to be back with you all, and thanks for your comments. And I look forward to D7's video at the close.